records we have made during the last 4 days. I'd like to congratulate all the people who participated in this, and we are looking forward to this particular valedictory function and address by Shri Venkaiah Naiduji. Thank you all very much, and welcome to this function, all of you, for the valedictory function of the 6th India International Science Festival. Thank you.
थैंक यू सर। अब मैं अनुरोध करना चाहूंगी IISF की मुख्य समन्वयक और राष्ट्रीय विज्ञान प्रौद्योगिकी तथा विकास अध्ययन संस्थान की निदेशक डॉक्टर रंजना अग्रवाल जी से कि वे IISF पर आधारित अपनी रिपोर्ट प्रस्तुत करें।
Honorable Vice President of India, Shri M. Venkaiah Naidu ji, Chief Guest of Valedictory Function of the 6th India International Science Festival, Dr. Minister of Science and Technology, Earth Sciences, Health and Family Welfare, Dr. Shekhar C. Wande, Director General CSIR, Dr. Vijay P. Bhatkar, President Vigyan Bharati, Shri Jayant Sahasrabudhe ji, National Organizing Secretary Vigyan Bharati, Secretaries DST, DBT, Ministry of Earth Sciences, ICMR, members of Steering Committee, dignitaries and all the science-loving delegates. A hearty welcome to the valedictory session of IISF 2020. As Chief Coordinator of IISF 2020, it is my privileged duty to present a brief report of the various activities happened over the 4 days from December 22 to 25. Since its inception in 2015, IISF is being organized by Ministry of Science and Technology and Ministry of Earth Sciences, Government of India with Vigyan Bharati, with a purpose to engage common people of the country to celebrate the achievements and advancements of India's science and technology and project it globally. The IISF has emerged as a unique platform for integration of science and people from the various strata of the society. This year, due to prevailing COVID-19 pandemic situation, large congregations are not possible. Therefore, it was envisioned by Honorable Minister Dr. Harshvardhan ji to organize IISF 2020 in a virtual environment with a hope to engage a much larger number of participants and stakeholders, not only from India, but also from abroad. With huge sense of satisfaction, I would like to submit that within a short span of 2 months, we have been able to organize this mega science festival in a new avatar, covering many more important and contemporary facets of STI. Under the 9 verticals, sustainable development and rural development, national and international linkages, science and humanities, inclusive development, science for masses, science for students, new frontiers, industry and MSME, 40 events were organized. 13 events, namely History of Indian Science, Science and Philosophy, Science and Performing Arts, Agri-Tech, Clean Air, Energy, Waste and Sanitation, Water, Biodiversity, Habitat, Rural and Urban, Science Diplomacy, Science Education in India, Games and Toys were introduced for the first time. The magnitude of IISF is very vast and it is very difficult to mention all. However, I would like to highlight certain points. Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji graced the inaugural function of IISF 2020 on December 22. Honorable Union Ministers Shri Gajendra Singh Shekhawat ji, Shri Purushottam Rupala, Shri Rajkumar Singh,